it's Alex. I'm at Longbridge at an Allegro event. I can't remember what Colin called it now. Allegro's... oh, I can't remember. But yeah, we're at the church, St John the Baptist Church, where Colin Cork works and lives. And here are the Allegros that have turned up. Peggy, obviously. Kitty, four-door Peggy. I don't know the names of any of the other cars, but there's a white one. That's a Super. Lovely Maestro turned up. A Deluxe. And a Vanden Plas. We've got to go and have a look at the Vanden Plas grill, haven't we? There we go. Colin's got a crowd. Hello, Colin.
Hello, Alex.
Hello.
Hi.
Don't mind me.
I think you're still reasonably happy.
Everyone's really happy.
No one's doing my Longbridge Allegro quiz.
Oh.
40 questions. You would have to be a really sad git to get them all right.
It's been Z-barted.
Mm-hmm. Complete with runs.
Oh yes, is that British Leyland Runs? Was this done at BL or was that dealer that did it?
I don't know. Colin.
So, when it's like when we were fitting the when we did the SS, no, the VRF's rebuild, the negative Earth sticker, and Nick, my mechanic friend's got a wicked sense. You say, right, blindfold on, Colin. Walk towards the car. I'll guide your hand, and then you just stick it on the front wing. Because it definitely shouldn't be straight or in alignment with anything. It should just be sort of randomly stuck somewhere under the bonnet, you know. Well, VRF 144L, my Deluxe, was undersealed on top of the factory underseal before it was delivered in 1973. Possibly because the owner had an MG 1100 before that, so perhaps he knew that cars rusted.
We will be out here all day listening to Colin's stories, so I'll carry on and steal Phil's car. What's this? Drinks hole, that's quite nifty actually. Shall we check under the bonnet, making sure he's got oil in it?
And that Allegro I used from, it's on the cars for start. You know, if only I could go back in my car, I nearly checked it.
Wow, look at that lump.
The only known survivor.
I've not actually seen an Allegro with an E-Series engine.
We ever knew about, you know, and that was a nice one, albeit with a vinyl. Oh, it's got a big engine.
It's a big one, isn't it?
Ooh,
it's a big one.
It's got an E-Series.
Yeah. Right, I'm stealing this. Oh yeah! It's the wrong one!
Are you suffering from a form of... Are you okay? Are you the wrong one, Alex?
Are you sure? It's orange. The key fits. Hey, are you sure it's not mine? Oh look, it's got an extra gear.
Yeah, be careful you don't do what I did once and drive halfway around the M25, you know, in a Vanden Plas 5 speed. Remember, you had 5 speed only halfway round.
Of course, I'm gonna be thrown back into my seat with the power, aren't I?
You know, somebody's probably running off the Allegro spares while we're in here.
I've got Phil in charge.
Oh, right. I thought you were...
Well, I haven't stalled it yet. Where shall I take it? Hey, this is good, isn't it? This is a 1500 E-Series Allegro. I can't remember what year it is. I got in it and I don't even know anything about it, apart from it's called Kitty and it's owned by Phil. I've left Phil in charge of my regalia and spares table in the church hall. And he just threw the keys at me and said, go and see what you think of Kitty. So off we go. Oh, the gears feel different to what I'm used to. Let's close the window. Choke in. Well, apart from your steering wheel being off centre, Phil, this is quite nice. Oh, the gears are in a different place to Peggy. I don't know where I'm going. I feel like a hooligan in this, I don't know why. When I drive Peggy, I feel very dainty and delicate, whereas this feels more solid, if that's the right word. I don't know why. I suppose it is a later model, so they've probably made improvements to it since the Series 1. Hey, she goes well though. This is great fun. Well, I'm very impressed. One thing Phil asked me to do was give it a sniff, but I don't know what he wants me to smell. I mean, does he want me to sniff the seat? I'm not sure. He might sniff the seat after I've left, but that's another story. I'm guessing he wants me to sniff the exhaust pipe to see if it's running rich or not. Aha, a roundabout. Perfect. Oh no, it's got a 5th gear. What is this 5th gear? I don't know what I'm doing with the gears. At least reverse is in the same place, so I'm not ramming it into reverse instead of 1st gear. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, I think that's 3rd. I'm now completely blocking a roundabout with your car, Phil. God, it's hot in here, isn't it? Is that just me? I don't know if it's me or the car. It's hot stuff. Oh, the engine sounds really sweet. I can't see plumes of smoke coming out when I'm accelerating. Steering feels a little bit stiff. I think it might just be catching on this cowling. That's normal. Peggy does that. But you definitely need to straighten your steering out. She feels a little bit wandery. Have you had your tracking done lately, Phil? If you haven't had your tracking done, get your tracking done. That's the only thing I can pick up on the car. But the brakes feel good. Clutch is good. I'm impressed. Oh yeah, he's got no speedo. I've been flying along just completely blind and I've only just realised that there's no speedo. You'll probably get a speeding ticket now. Wasn't me. It's not my car. Oh look, you've got your heater vents off. That's why it's so bloody hot. There we go. Full whack on the fan. I like this radio. Well, I didn't get to use 5th gear properly. I think I slipped into it by mistake. But, right. clearing out here. See how fast we can go backwards. He can be disabled, can't he? There you go, Phil. I parked it in the disabled bay because I know, you know, I'm getting on a bit now. No, it's fine, it confused me. I was like, it's alright, Phil can be disabled, you know, he's got hearing aids, so. Right, I'm going to give the car back to Phil. Let's see what he says. Here's the church hall. Right. There's all the spares I've got laid out and the regalia. And there's Phil, look.
Hello.
We've been in his car. Yeah.
How was she?
Everyone was having a go at me saying that, you know, no, that's your car, not that one. And I said, well, it's orange, isn't it? I said, the key fits.
Key fits?
Key fits, yeah.
Well, while Alex was driving Kitty, I was selling tea towels to this gentleman. So I've actually made you as a purchase.
Thank you very much.
So, you know.
How many tea towels did he have?
Anyone.
I was going to say.
A sale is a sale.
Big sale is a sale. I think Colin was a little bit concerned when I went out there. He said, oh, everyone's going to walk off with our spares now. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.